Inside the male body, sperm production begins within the testicles in a highly complex biological process. Sperm is produced inside tiny coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules within the testicle structure. Special cells divide and transform gradually into immature sperm cells through several biological development stages. This process is called spermatogenesis and takes several weeks to fully complete inside the body. During development, sperm form a head and tail, allowing them to swim effectively later. This transformation enables their journey to fertilize an egg. Newly formed sperm are not yet able to move and require further maturation before becoming functional. Sperm travel to the epididymis where they mature and gain the ability to swim properly. The epididymis stores sperm, allowing them to develop strength and mobility over time before release. After maturation, sperm become active and capable of moving quickly when needed during reproduction. Sperm mix with fluids from glands, forming semen which protects and supports their survival. The prostate and seminal vesicles add nutrients and fluids, helping sperm survive longer outside the body. During ejaculation, sperm travel through the vas deferens, moving toward the urethra for release. Millions of sperm are released at once, increasing the chances of reaching and fertilizing the egg. This rapid flow propels them towards their target, ensuring at least one succeeds. Each sperm carries genetic material needed to create new life when fertilization successfully occurs. This entire process shows how the male body continuously produces sperm in preparation for reproduction.